Chicken with tomatoes and spinach is a vibrant dish full of fresh flavors. It has tender chicken breasts combined with zesty tomatoes and fresh spinach. And this is simple, healthy, and so delicious. Okay, so let's get started. Here I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts, and I already went ahead and sliced them in half horizontally. And then I'm going to place it on my cutting board and pound it evenly. They're already thin as it is, so I don't have to pound it too much. But what this does is it not only tenderizes the chicken, but it helps it to cook a lot quicker and evenly. So I'll go ahead and pound away. All right, let's take a peek. See, we have nice, thin chicken breasts. And like I said, it's gonna help it cook a lot quicker and evenly. So what I'm going to do now is give it a basic seasoning of some salt and pepper. And of course, you could always buy chicken cutlets at the grocery store, but I find this more economical, it's cheaper, and it's easy to do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these guys over, and then I'll season the other side. Now that we have our chicken seasoned, we're gonna lightly coat it with some flour. And what the flour is going to do is it's going to help it give it a nice brown sear. And it also gives it some texture, and it locks in those juices, and it helps the sauce to adhere to the chicken. So just go ahead and lightly coat it with the flour. Because of the ingredients that we're using today, this is going to look more like a summer type dish, really fresh ingredients. But honestly, after the holidays were over, I was really craving chicken dishes with fresh flavors, and this dish is exactly that. And I feel really good about feeding this to my family. You've got your protein, your veggies, and then you could serve it with some carbs. I don't know, we usually like to serve it with some rice. You could do potatoes, pasta, whatever your heart desires. All right, so our chicken is nice and coated. Let me go ahead and grab the rest of the ingredients that we're going to be needing for the recipe. We're also going to be needing 4 minced garlic cloves. I have 1 pint of cherry tomatoes. You could also use grape tomatoes. Today I'm actually using these organic heirloom medley cherry tomatoes from Trader Joe's. I just like to use them because it comes in a variety of colors. You got some green, yellow, red going on here. I have 1 cup of chicken broth. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's going to give it a bright, zesty flavor. And then we're going to add at the end 3 cups of baby spinach. All right, we are ready to get cooking. Meet me over at the stove. I've got my pan heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to add some oil. And let's sear our chicken. Because our chicken pieces are not too thick, this won't take long. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So we're gonna cook it until it's completely cooked through. It's been about 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip these guys over. That is what you're looking for. See how nice and browned the chicken is. All right, we'll let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, our chicken is looking good. It is nice and cooked through. I'm gonna remove and set these guys aside. I've reduced the heat to medium, and we are going to keep these brown bits in the pan. If it is black, you don't want it, that means it's burnt. But if it's brown, keep it because it's going to give our sauce lots of flavor. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the tomatoes. Add a little bit of salt, and we're gonna cook it for another minute while scraping the bottom of the pan. All right, I'm going in with 1 cup of chicken broth, as well as the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Going to give it some bright, zesty flavor, which I love. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit so that it comes to a boil. Now that it has come to a boil, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium, and then I'll continue to let it simmer until the sauce has thickened. All right, so our sauce has been simmering for about 5 minutes, and it has definitely reduced down. Now it's time to add in the spinach. So I'm gonna stir in about 3 cups of baby spinach. And we're just gonna cook it until it's just wilted. This will take no time at all. Okay, our spinach has just wilted down. Time to add in the chicken. Just go ahead and nestle the chicken pieces right back into the pan. Doesn't this look so delicious? Nice, vibrant, healthy dish. And really a fuss-free recipe. All right, I'm gonna cut the heat and we are ready to serve this up. And there you guys have it. Chicken with spinach and tomatoes. Such a simple, healthy, and delicious dish. All right, you guys, it is time to taste our little masterpiece. I have my bite all prepared here. It's a big bite, bear with me, but I've got the chicken, some of the spinach, and a tomato. I'm gonna dip it again in those juices. Cheers, you guys. Let me start off. The chicken is perfectly cooked, is nice, juicy, and tender. And that sauce made with the tomatoes and the lemon, it's so delicious. And the garlic, bright, delicious, fresh flavors. And then you got your greens from the spinach. It's just a feel-good meal, you know? Make this for your family. They're going to enjoy it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this recipe. Thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.